Today I'm gonna remove a seat belt. This is a 2021 Volkswagen Atlas. Okay, first thing we have to remove this plastic over here. Okay, I took that one off. Now we have to remove this plastic, the upper one over here. Same thing, we'll have to remove it. This one you don't have to take it all the way off. You can leave it like that. You can work from here. The next step is to take this one. This plastic over here. Same thing. We'll have to take it off. Okay, so there is that plastic. Okay, then we'll go down there. Okay, there it is. And there you go. Okay, I'll go on the other side. And should be one more. Yep. Yeah, we got it. Okay. Now we just take it like this. Okay. Okay. Let's take this one all the way. Just be careful not to break it. There you go. Boom. Okay, so from here we can start working. Okay, take a M10. Okay. There we go. Take out the bolt. Put it in place, just in case, I don't know. It's easy to find it. Want to put it everything back. Okay, now we have another. This is M10. Yeah. Okay, that one is M10 too. Okay, take the bolt. it there for now. Okay, now we have to disconnect this. Okay, so like that. Okay, this one in the back, so this one. This is from the back, so I'll put it on the back. So okay, that's in the front. There we go. This one I can leave it like that, so I'll know that this one goes in front and that one I put it already on the back, so I'll know this one connects with the back part. Now there's another bolt down there. Okay, that is M8, so I'll go ahead and disconnect it. That. I'm gonna take out the bolt. Yeah, this is a long bolt. I'll put the bolt back. Okay, and there is one more thing. You have to take off that thing over there, which I'm going to do right now. Okay, and now let's take the seat belt entirely off. Boom. Voila. That's how you take a seat belt off. This one's locked, so I'll probably need to get a new one and put the new one back. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope that it helps somebody. Have a good one.